Alright, today we're doing a quick review of the Hydrology9. It's a water-filtered vaping system. It's pretty cool. This is what the packaging looks like here. I'm about to open it up and get into it. Alright, so here we've got the instructions booklet, looks like. And there's the unit itself. And over here we've got the toolkit and accessories. It's got a charging cable and an AC adapter. Alright. Take it out. There's the main unit itself. And then here you've got all the little accessories and the toolkit that it comes with. Let's open those up. Okay, here's the toolkit. Alright, and it looks like you've got a couple of different cleaning brushes, and this little pick here is actually you see it's like super sharp. That's actually made to clean some of the screens and stuff in the unit. And then here, I'm guessing that's just a little scooper, but this piece here is a screwdriver. There's also a screen on the bottom that you can take out and clean, and we'll show you that here in a second. Okay. Let's see what else we got. Okay, here's some of the charging cables, and you get this kind of a small charging cable, and actually it also comes with a big one that I've kind of pulled out earlier because I was charging it. So you've got a really pretty long size cable here that comes with it as well, so that's kind of nice. Gives you a couple of different ways to go about it, charging it. Okay. And then here is the AC adapter. Alright. Also perfect, all those cables are USBs, so you can easily just charge it off of a USB. It doesn't necessarily have to be off of AC power. Like when I was charging it, I actually had it plugged in. Okay, so here's the unit itself. This is actually the carburetor here. Here's how you turn it on. You just click it 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and then it'll blink. And then depending on what temperature you want, you'll see that it glows a different color. There's 5 different temperature settings. Red is the highest, and you can go through those and decide how much heat you want to vape with. Alright, you click it 3 times and it's off. This right here is a nice little cap, and it's a magnet, so it doesn't come off too easy. And then you can just remove that when you're ready to smoke, and then you've got the intake there. Alright, putting water in it is not real difficult. All you do is take this and go counterclockwise. Okay, once you take that off, right through the top, you can fill it up. okay? And it's about, what they recommend is you fill it up to about 70%. And that works real good. I don't have any water here. Let me get some water and we'll fill it real quick. Okay. Some water in it. Right there is about good. Okay. Then you just put this back on. You do want to tighten it down some. Okay, so here I spilled, so let's get up this extra spillage. But what I did want to show you guys is it's not going to leak. Okay, if it does have a little leak, sometimes you'll have to tighten it down. I haven't had that happen yet. We've actually used this unit one time, took it out for a little field test, and then just put it back in a box so I could show everybody. But it doesn't leak real easy. But if you constantly shake it or something like that, it does. But you don't have to worry about tipping it or anything like that. See, it doesn't do anything. You know, even a full tilt is okay. It's no problem. Just they do say if you shake it or anything, that yeah, it's gonna leak, and of course it will. Okay. All right, the other neat thing about this particular unit is the actual ceramic chamber. Now you see, let's see if I can get there we go. All right, you see this thing here? This is actually a stirrer. So when it's full, you can stir your dry materials around, okay, and stir them up so you can get a good solid vape out of it. Now it opens right here. This little piece opens on the bottom, and that's where, see the, let's see here, you can kind of see the stirrer. And then if you look, it's a fairly deep chamber. Chamber probably holds about a gram, I would say. Okay, so you basically fill it up here, close the unit, and then you're good to go. As far as smoking it, we've put up another little, I put a little field test up. This vape produces a lot of vapor compared to any of the other vapes that I've tried. The water filtration is really awesome. It works great. I can only highly recommend it. We do sell them, so maybe I'm a little biased, but not much, because this is actually going to be my personal unit to take around wherever I go, and I'll be posting stuff on Twitter and Instagram and places like that when we take it out and use it. So you're going to see it in use for quite some time to come in different scenarios. All right. I hope you enjoyed the review, and we'll be posting more as they come along. Thank you.